Hello, teacher. This is my English work. I would have studied medicine, but I didn't get a enough score to pass. But later, I studied agronomic engineering at the University of Caldas. Then I did postgraduate studies specialization in educational management. I would have wanted to study electronic engineering if I had had the opportunity to do so. If I had had the opportunity to study, I would have studied computer programming too. I'm very satisfied with my educational decisions at the head of the institutions where I have worked. I have been able to create an environment of trust among teachers and teaching directors, and I have also carried out several infrastructure projects and provision of material that have benefited the institution. I feel fulfilled and fortunate to be in the education sector because a good job is done on behalf of the community. Currently, I work in the municipality of Villa Maria in the rural sector, and we are managing resources to improve the physical spaces of the institution and apply the different safety protocols that allow a 100% near face-to-face education. Thank you very much. Good night, teacher.